Hello my dear COMEDK champions. So tomorrow is your exam, so I am here to wish you all the best. But before that, very important part, that how can you strategize your exam tomorrow so that you score most of the marks and you don't leave out any questions that you already know. So most of the time what happens, if you are going with the preparation during the exam, you get panic and you make mistakes, you make small mistakes, and because of that after the exam you realize, okay, these questions actually I knew but I could not answer because of my small mistakes. So those mistakes I am here to remind you so that you can avoid those mistakes. But before I start, I just wanted to tell you that what are all the question paper pattern. So there will be total 180 questions and total time to answer that 180 questions will be 180 minutes exactly. So as soon as you click on login, there will be password, user ID password provided along with your hall ticket. So once you click on the enter your details and click enter, the exam will start immediately and you will have to answer 180 questions. Now how the question paper will look like? The question paper 1 to 60, question number 1 till 60 will be physics, okay. Question number 61 till 120 will be chemistry, and question number 121 to 180 will be maths. So the order is physics, chemistry, maths. So this is the general order. But should I answer in the same order that is given in the question paper? Absolutely not. Okay, so let me tell you very clearly, you should not follow the order of physics, chemistry, maths unless your best subject is physics, your second best subject is chemistry, and third best subject is maths, or you are equally prepared for all subjects. You want to be top, get a top rank, maybe rank 1, rank 2, rank 10, then you can take the strategy. So this physics, chemistry, maths is basically for those who are super prepared and they are actually fighting for the top 100 rank. Okay, for them they can take any order, does not matter. But for you, the order is very important, very critical. So you know yourself, you know that I am well prepared in mathematics, I am well prepared in chemistry, I am well prepared in physics. So which subject you are very well prepared? So very well prepared subject you should start with. And how can you access that? There is a question interface there. Okay, in your when you log in, there will be an interface, and on one side you can access all the questions, question 1, 2, 3, 4. So here the questions will come. Right, I hope you have seen the interface from the model paper that they have shared in their website. I hope that you have seen it. If you have not seen it, go check that out today itself. You can check it by logging to your account and checking for mock test paper. Okay, even though the syllabus and subjects are irrelevant for there, but you have to go and check there, and there will be 1, 2, 3, 4 like that. So this section is basically where you can access all the questions. In that you can scroll here and you can move to question number 60. Okay, you don't need to click next. You can just go to question number 60 or question number 121. You can directly access from this panel. Okay, so click there, scroll through that, and go and access the subject that you are strong at. So if you are strong at mathematics, you should start with question number 121. Then you can come back to chemistry, then you can come back to physics. Okay, so that is very important. So first subject that you choose, first subject, especially the first subject, second subject can be anything, but first subject that you choose, it should be the strongest subject of you. So first subject should be the strongest subject of you. If you feel that, okay, my physics preparation is the best, I will start with physics, then it's fine, you can start with question number 1. But if you feel that, okay, my physics may not be as strong, I am not as confident as I am in mathematics, so you should start with mathematics in that case. So first subject is very important. You should choose the subject which you are strong at, and that question can only be answered by yourself only. In your heart you know which subject you are very strong. Okay, if you are just casually visiting just to get the experience, then you can start with the same order as well, right? So if you are really want to get a good rank and have an edge over other students, those who are equally prepared as you, but you still want to beat them in their game, then you have to start with the best subject that you have, right? So that is how a game is played. The openers are the best batsmen of the team, so that they can hit sixes and fours. Then the middle order comes, and then the end order, where they again comes six and fours. Now also you have to remember that you should not miss the questions which are known to you. Okay, if you read a question, you will be able to understand, okay, this question can be difficult for me. Now sometimes what happens that the question looks big but options are very, very small. That means the question is solvable, and even though the question may be looking like given to a certain difficult to you, but actually it is solvable. But sometimes question is given very small. The option, if you read that option appears to be very tricky and critical, that question can be actually a difficult question. Okay, so remember that if you are answering a question, read the question as well as the option, then only answer the question, because sometimes the answer itself is hidden in the options. So that is one very important point to remember. So read the question fully before answering. Secondly, if you feel that this concept is within my grasp, I can answer it, maybe it may take a little longer, that is fine, but you should not miss on the questions that you know. Unknown questions you can guess, you can take a guess, you can take scientific guessing method, you can take random guessing method, but the questions that you know, you should not lose marks on them, and you should not leave any single one of the questions that you could have solved during the paper. So answer all the questions that you know. Okay, and obviously during the exam hall, when you enter the exam hall, there will be a little bit of panic, there will be little bit of self-confidence will be little bit low, but you should not panic. You should feel confident in your heart that I will crack it, I will do it. So that is very, very important during the exam. So if you are preparing well, you should not panic, you should be confident enough. Okay. And once more I want to remind you what are the good ranks in COMEDK. For a good rank, good college, best rank, less than 1000 rank, you have to get physics 45 plus, chemistry 50 plus, and mathematics 50 plus. Physics is lengthy, remember physics is lengthy. Chemistry and mathematics are relatively not that lengthy. The paper will be almost same level. Physics generally tend to be a little lengthier than other subjects. Okay, so physics could be little lengthy. Chemistry and maths you should target 50 plus, and in physics you should target 45 plus no matter what. So if you follow that, definitely you should be getting a rank below 1000. And lastly but not the least, obviously all the best for your exam, and don't forget to comment below this video after your exams are over, how was it and which shift you have attempted and how the question paper was. So I like to hear from you after your exam, and obviously all the best again, and see you in a future video. Till then, bye.